Welcome back. We have known already the introduction of set. How set is related to group. Okay, we say that set consists of group. In grouping, what have you observed? What have you done? So it's quite similar of what? How did you group these three? First is you collect. So because of that, you can say that a set, here, you collect or it is a collection. Okay. What have you collect or group? You have group and collect what? What are these? These are things. What is the other term of things? Or a thing? That is what we call objects. But before that, try to think. How did you group and collect the objects? Yes, that is correct. You collect and group the objects that have, what are those? You have those objects that have common characteristic. How is that? Okay. How did you know that? For instance, pens. They are used into writing. So that's the common characteristic of pens. They are both used into writing, even if the color of its ink is red and black. Here, correction tapes. What's the common characteristic? Either small or big, blue or pink, still they have the same uses. They are used to erase, penmanship, pen writing, if that is erroneous. How about sketch tapes? What have you observed? This is a double-sided, this is a one-sided, but still they share common characteristic. What have you observed? What's the difference between set and group? When we say group, it's just a mere grouping. How about set? What have you observed? What makes it unique and different to a group? Do you have any idea? Okay, think and think. So, we could say that, how did we describe? Pen, we describe by its color of the ink. What else? Its uses. So, in other words, it should be, set should be what? It's well defined. What do you mean by well defined? Well defined meaning it has a specific characteristic. That is basically, aside from being common, that is very obvious between two or more objects. Okay, so what have you observed? Within this concept mapping, what will you do? you can create one definition of a set. Okay? Anybody here who can define a set?